Hey friends, if you wish to install ADB drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now go to this website developer.android.com. Check the tools section and the SDK platform tools, release tools. Okay, you can simply search for these SDK platform tools in the search bar on developer.android.com. Now scroll down and click on download SDK platform tools for Windows. Now scroll down, click on I have read, download this one, and then save it, and then save it, and then go to the download page. I'll expand this, and then you can right click on this, and then you can click on extract all, and then you can also click on extract, and then you can open platform tools, and here you have all the tools on your system. A few of these are applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.